Hi, I'm Ron Meston with Nonstop Construction. We're having a sale with Rogers and Sons Auctions on April 10th through the 12th. We're selling this 1994 Western Star truck with a 4 1/4 cat C block. It's got 800,000 kilometers. It's got a 15-foot grain box. It's on a skid. What we do is we use the grain box or the gravel box for gravel. It's got a hopper in the end, where a slide gated hopper where we can use it for grain also, because we farm. We haul gravel with this. We also have a fifth wheel plate that we put on when we haul our machines. So we haul our machines to site, and then we take the fifth wheel plate off, put this box on. It's a pretty simple process, and they just want to make a video of it. So what there is there's 4 pins on the bottom here. You can see right here, these pins right here. 1, 2. Down there, but I pulled out a couple just to make the process faster, and 2 more that hold the box in place. So all we do is pull the pin out, take this off like this. We'll do it again in a second here. Just pull it out. So it represents the tire. We have this safety pin in here. When you're using the gravel box, you put this across the bottom like that. That way the hoist will go up and down. When you're removing it, you take it out, slide it into these 5 holes like this. Then that prevents, when you lift the box up, it prevents the hoist coming up. We got all the pins off. I'll bring her out to the back. I'll show you. We have airlines at the back. We have 2 airlines here. Over here that allow for the air tailgate. They're on a compression fitting. You just push the hose in there, pull them back out. It's done, and unhook them. That way your tailgate, the lines are off your tailgate. This is the slide we use when we're in the spring when we're seeding crops. We pack fertilizer with this truck. Just lift it up and it acts like a grain truck. Put it on this side. This is how the hydraulics. Maybe it's better if you go on the other side, Kathy. Maybe go on the other side. Point towards me. This is all you do to hook the hydraulics. We have a hammer fitting here. You just unscrew it. Pull it apart. Like this. Take it off, put it on the side. Now your hydraulics are disconnected. And that's it. What we do is, after that, we use an excavator or a loader. In this situation, we have an excavator to lift the box off the frame of the truck. The lights are hooked onto the lights for the trailer is a male plug-in, and it also is the same lights you used for the box. So I'll show you that when you put the fifth wheel plate on. But right now we're just going to fire up the hoe and lift the box off. And then when we come back, you'll see the fifth wheel skid will be on here, and we'll show you how all the airlines hook up, because it's got a sliding fifth wheel, and then your airlines just screw in. But we'll show you that in a couple minutes. So for now, that's it. We'll be back later. Good night. Okay, we've took off the box, and it's got four lifting lugs in, like 1 in each corner. So we use slings and a backhoe to pick it off. Sometimes we use a loader to pick it off, set it down. Then we dig the fifth wheel plate, which has got a fifth wheel skid that's got a lift hook right in the center there by the fifth wheel plate. We hook a chain onto that, lift it up, set it in place. Then once again, you just go through putting the 4 pins inside the holes. They just slide in. These are just slide it, because we're going to put the box back on, but they just slide in like that, easy by hand. Put them all the way in, put your pin in. Come back to the back end. The airlines that you took off from the tailgate cylinder are now laying right here. The long one goes to the front. We use these connectors These are just compression connectors. Go inside like this. Push it in, push it in. Oh, watch, you can't get it hooked up there. Like that's connected. Same on the other side, the other one. Push it in. Connected. These we just tape to the strut. That's complete. Your lines are caught. There you go. Connected here now. This is where, for your air lines, the air supply to your trailer, are these two bungs right here. These two bungs right here, red and green. There's hoses there. That's your supply line of your trailer. This is the supply line for your lights. This is how we hook up our lights to the gravel box too. We have a male plug that goes in there. Then all your lights work in the gravel box. We strap up the hydraulic line to the crossbar of the skid, and then you're ready to go. If you have your 4 pins in, you take it out. You put your pins back in. They're locked in place, and you're ready to haul our machines. That way, we do this because we get 3 uses out of this truck. We get a highway tractor that can pack our machines to the site. Once you get to the site, we can take the fifth wheel skid off, put the gravel box on. We can pack sand in our site when we need it, or go get gravel if we need it. And also with the box on, when it comes to the farming part of the deal, we've got a grain box also. So that's about it. It takes, like, I don't know, it depends on how you work, but usually it takes about 15, maybe 15 minutes. It'll probably take you 20 minutes the first time. Once you get good, you can do it in 5 or 10 minutes. It's better pull the pins out with one person on the hoe, on the machine, one person lifting it off. Do everything safe, obviously, right? And that way it'll work out good. The truck will be available on April 10th to the 12th at Rogers and Sons Auctions. And once again, it's got a 4 1/4 cat C block, 508,000 kilometers, double locking rear ends, and that's all I can virtually tell you. The rest is help yourself. So, good luck. Thank you. All right. Good to go. I forgot to tell you that the truck is certified till July. We have no trouble getting the trucks certified, whether we have the box on and take it in as a gravel truck to get certified, or take it in with the fifth wheel skid on. There's no mechanical issues for the CB. So that's all I want to say. Thank you. Bye.